Story. Now moving on, shifting our focus, Johnson & Johnson can no longer manufacture or sell its baby powder in Maharashtra as the FDA in the state cancelled its license over safety concerns. The company has to recall its stock from the market with immediate effect, and the pharma giant had this year announced that the talc-based baby powder would be discontinued globally in 2023 and replaced with cornstarch. Now, while the company discontinued the product 2 years ago in US and Canada, it continues to be widely available in India.
Maharashtra's Food and Drug Administration cancelled the manufacturing of Johnson & Johnson baby powder. The sample did not match with IS 5339-2004, the sample which has been tested in Nashik and Pune. But Johnson & Johnson company challenged the FDA's taste in the court. Court has sent all the samples in Kolkata's Central Drug Laboratory. CDA director also mentioned that this sample did not match with IS 5339-2004, which is completely unhealthy for the skin of newborn baby. That's why FDA is cancelled all the manufacturing of Johnson & Johnson baby powders. With cameraman Pramod, Kumar Ankit.
These regulatory bodies are the ones who are tasked with ensuring quality so that the children do not suffer. And I'm sure if the regulatory body, the FDA, has recommended that this particular product be stopped for some time, I'm sure there must be some value in that, and I'm sure the government has accepted that. At the same time, it's up to the company and the products that are made to look into what could be improved upon those products, to improve the quality of those products, and definitely reintroduce it. And I'm sure if it helps children, that's all that we are interested in. Finally, all that we care about is everything in the best interest of the child.
हमने महाराष्ट्र एफडीए को लिखित शिकायत भेजी कि जॉनसन एंड जॉनसन के मुलुंड प्लांट में बने हुए बेबी पाउडर जो हैं उसके 2 सैंपल्स लगातार सैंपल्स फेल आए हैं, पीएच लेवल ज़्यादा आया है, और उसके बाद डिपार्टमेंट हरकत में आया और उसने फिर इनको सोकॉज भेजा है, और सोकॉज भेजने के बाद फिर इन्होंने जब जॉनसन जॉनसन ने इस लैब रिपोर्ट को चैलेंज किया हायर लैब में, और कोलकाता की लैब में जब ये चैलेंज होता है तो वहाँ से भी रिपोर्ट जो है वो सैंपल फेल बताया जाता है, और उसके बाद जाकर एफडीए ने अब कल जो है इनके ऊपर ये लाइसेंस कैंसिलेशन का जो है वो उन्होंने कार्रवाई ली है.
India cannot be a guinea pig of the world, and we have to understand that these decisions are based on science and has to be argued based on evidences. So if any manufacturer is found to be not adhering to the standards, even if it is an international known brand of Johnson & Johnson, we have to agree to the fact that they should stop the manufacturing from India as soon as possible with immediate effect. It's a great step in the right direction.
I think the government has taken a judicious call in cancelling the license of the manufacturers of a product that is of substandard quality, and especially when it affects children's health. Educators may not be doctors, and yet the health of a nation's children, or the lack of it, concerns us. We would like to see Gen Alpha grow up into a robust, healthy generation. And good health begins at infancy.
Roping in my colleague Arunil for more on this. Arunil, now Johnson's baby powder license has of course been cancelled by Maharashtra, but the company has also gone to court to challenge this decision. So what all has been said by the company in their applications which has been submitted in the court?
Well, this is very significant. The reason for that is, before cancelling the license of Johnson & Johnson baby powder, one of the most renowned and most used baby powder across the country, a notice was been sent by the FDA department of Maharashtra to Johnson & Johnson, basically telling them to recall all the stocks that were being given out in the market. Johnson & Johnson did not comply with the notice and instead approached the court at that time. Later on, subsequently, based on the tests that were being done by the FDA department, license of Johnson & Johnson baby powder has been suspended by the FDA department, as well as it has been told, the company has been told to make a fresh stock which abides by the guidelines as well as the tests of the FDA department. Now, why such kind of a stock, which was not healthy for a kid? Basically, the test also mentioned the fact that it can affect the skin of a baby. That powder can affect the skin of a baby. Then why it was being circulated and why it was being put to use? That is a question that many medicinal experts as well as pediatric experts have been asking basically to the company manufacturers. Now, what exactly transpires, considering Johnson & Johnson has approached the court? What exactly, what will be the battle that will take place inside the courtroom? That we will be keeping a close eye on. But right now, one can say that this is a big setback to a renowned company like Johnson & Johnson, which supplied baby powder, and it was quite famous in the market as well.
All right. Thank you, Ranil, for all those quick updates.